How to replace a 2019 GMC Sierra 3-button remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Let's change out the battery on our GMC Sierra 3-button remote. For this task, you will need your remote, a CR2032 battery, and a flat tip screwdriver. If your keyring is attached, you will probably want to remove it. If you notice right down in here, there's an indentation. Put your flat tip screwdriver in, go ahead and rotate it. Slide to the other side in that little indentation, pop it. And there you go. Once it's off, take your finger, push down on the battery. You're going to pull towards that end. So we'll push down and pull, and the battery pops out. As you notice, it's a CR2032 battery. To reinstall it, we'll reverse the process, set it down like such, pull into that little pocket. Once it does, push down, then push back, because what you're doing is getting it under there, which holds it down. Your back remote cover has those little 3 tabs. Those go on first. You'll hook it on, snap it together. There you go, you've changed out your remote battery. Hey, thanks again for watching. Let's be safe out there.